So what I'm going to do is divide this session on the first trimester fetal neurosonogram into a little bit of the embryogenesis of the fetal brain, and it will be very much in respect to what we see in the early pregnancy on ultrasound. And we will go on to the standard and some of the non-standard planes of assessment of the fetal brain in the first trimester. With that in mind, we'll see how we can extrapolate these planes to identify the common abnormalities that we are able to pick up at the first trimester scan. So this, in essence, this slide gives you the crux of the development of the fetal brain, which starts initially as a neural tube and divides into three primary brain vesicles, the fore mid brain and the hindbrain vesicle. And the forebrain vesicle divides into the telencephalon and the diencephalon. Knowing this fact is essential, and the embryogenesis, the gestational period when this happens, is essential, because at each point of time when one of these events does not take place, or there is a disruption in the sequence of the events which take place, you have the specific abnormalities which are identified on ultrasound. The second part is the mesencephalon or the midbrain, and the hindbrain divides into the pons cerebellum, which is the metencephalon, and the medullary pyramids. So how do we start seeing the fetal brain on the scan? We first see the fetal pole, and the embryo appears as